our video, we're going to see how to use Click Agency AI to create a high-converting video lead generation campaign using just a keyword and run a lead generation agency business from scratch that lands clients automatically using powerful AI technology. By just entering a keyword, you can auto-build congruent lead campaigns that contain things like AI copy, video lead pages, matching image ads, video ads, and YouTube videos, full unique AI images, powerful lead magnets, and even auto ad submission to each client's Facebook or AdWords ads manager from right inside the app. And all these marketing materials are fully editable with tons of templates for major local business and online business niches. Plus, if you want to run a lead generation marketing agency, Click Agency AI helps get the clients for you in the first place with fully congruent, high-converting AI agency lead campaign creation that targets specific clients and manages the clients with built-in agency technology for you. Plus, it creates tons of awesome agency marketing materials and content too. You can sell lead campaigns to clients, run them yourself for a monthly fee, sell individual marketing materials on places like Upwork and Fiverr. Use these all-in-one lead campaigns for any business you run too. To get started, log into the cloud-based app and create an agency to manage clients. You can create multiple agencies if you want that all fulfill different marketing needs for different types of clients. Then begin adding your clients to your agency. Hit Create New Client here, or edit and view any existing clients you've created. With the agency client technology, you can keep track of each client's marketing materials, integrate their ads accounts and specific autoresponders to send leads to, including posting to Facebook and YouTube as well for them. Plus, email them their credentials for them to log into the app and manage the marketing materials and campaigns themselves, and you can keep track of your earnings from them as well if you want. Okay, so let's create a full congruent lead generation campaign for this client using powerful AI. Choose which marketing materials you want to include in the marketing campaign, like AI landing pages or AI lead videos, ads, etc. I'll start by creating a high-converting video lead page for this client. Choose a template for your video lead page from our selection of done-for-you lead page templates like this. You can preview what each template will look like if needed. Then have Click Agency AI create all the content for the page by just entering a keyword just like this. The AI will go to work writing headlines, subheadlines, bullet points, and more in the niche of your choice. Edit anything about the page if you want, including changing around the text if needed, adding specific images a client wants or you'd rather use, and boom, our lead page is done just like that, hosted on Click Agency servers or on your domain as well. Okay, so let's add a VSL or video ad now to our lead campaign. Choose video and enter a keyword again. Choose the topic you want and Click Agency AI will generate a high converting video script that you can edit anywhere that you like. Press convert to video for the app to create a professional engaging video based on that script in seconds that you can fully customize. You can add or change any slides to the video by using this navigation below. Click on a slide and edit it and change around the text. You can change the font, change the font color. You can also change the background out to a video or another clip from a built-in library of professional stock footage and stock images, or simply upload your own video clip if you want as well. Take the video to the next level by adding background music clips to it, or realistic voiceovers to your video as well too. Click Agency AI videos come with the latest realistic voiceover sounding technology, so your videos will sound like they're being read by a real person if you want to add a voiceover in just a clip. There's tons of voiceover options like male, female, young, old that are going to read your AI-generated script. The cloud video interface lets you add transitions, animations, and tons more. Everything's here to create awesome video ads in VSL. Just hit render and our video will be ready shortly. Okay, so let's add some more congruent marketing materials to our lead campaign. To make sure your lead campaign converts well, you can add a high-value lead magnet to give away on that page you created in exchange for someone's phone number or email. Again, just enter a keyword, choose your lead magnet topic, and Click Agency AI will generate a high-value text script for your lead magnet in seconds. So it's actually something someone would want to give away their email to and get tons of value from. All right, awesome. Now let's add some image ads for Google display campaigns or Facebook retargeting campaigns too. Click Facebook ad, and Click Agency AI will automatically create an image and create headline and body text that align with the landing page copy that was already generated. So this ads campaign will fit congruently together with your other marketing materials you made. It will be easily approved and it's going to convert super well. edit anything including the main image if you want. You can replace that image with something else or edit it. You can also add an AI image to this ad to add a 100% unique generated image that's based off the initial keyword you entered. Now, speaking of AI images, you can really take this to the next level by adding AI generated images that will really stand out on social timelines to your campaigns using the Click Agency AI image creator. Now with this, you can just enter a keyword and Click Agency AI Advanced Image Maker will make images for you from scratch. You can easily insert into any landing page or the videos you just made. That's right, Click Agency AI lets you create marketing campaigns with advanced AI copy and advanced AI image creation. So your marketing campaigns will always be constantly improving as the AI gets better and smarter, and therefore better than what any other marketing agency can ever create or offer, no matter how big they are or what kind of head start they had on you. At any time, you can auto-submit your ads and lead generation campaign to the client's Google AdWords or Facebook Ads Manager account. The agency client technology lets you assign specific ads account keys to certain clients so you can upload their marketing materials fast and easy in just a click. Not only is Click Agency AI the best in the world at creating entire congruent lead campaigns for clients automatically with AI, we've programmed our AI to create agency lead campaigns as well, meaning real lead campaigns that get clients for you. Now, this goes way beyond just simple client prospecting stuff. Just by entering a keyword, you can make lead campaigns that target specific niches looking for marketing services. For example, create a lead campaign that uses AI to target plumbing companies looking for more leads, or piano studios looking for more clients. These hyper-targeted AI lead campaigns are going to convert way better than any other strategy you're going to use to get clients. Plus, use Click Agency AI to make your agency business look highly professional, with amazing looking invoices, letterheads, press releases, lead magnets, proposals, YouTube videos for social proof, and much more, all generated in just a few clicks. Not only can you create awesome lead campaigns that land clients, but do full-blown authority content marketing that generates trust and free leads from social media, leveraging blog article creation for places like medium.com or YouTube videos to build a YouTube marketing channel that sends you leads on autopilot while you sleep. Plus, as you can see, this is so simple to use. Anyone can have massive success right away. All you have to do is enter a keyword, really. Now, obviously, there's far more to what Click Agency AI can do, but hopefully this short demo video got the point across. As you can see, everything is here to make high-converting video lead campaigns for any need in any industry in just a click or two. The AI technology will continue to self-learn and improve, so your campaigns will always be better than what any other agency can offer. And the AI saves months of manual work helping you scale your business fast and easy.